What's up, everybody? It's me, Kevin.
And Kate.
And Kate. Coming back at you guys on another Friday upload. Man, how the homies out there been, huh? Man, me and my son just kick it back, just chilling. My son had a little small cough. Nothing crazy. Nothing to freak out nor worry about. So, you know what? We're sitting here living pretty good. You know, everyone's got their good health. Yeah, my son was playing cars down here. I haven't been in a man cave in a while. So, like I said, my son's been down with a little runny nose and a cough. Nothing too crazy, so you know everyone else in the house is feeling fine. He's better now. He's almost 100, as always. 100. Ah, my friends and my homies, man, has it been a long 2 weeks? That bike project down there took a long time to do, only because I've been out of town. So then I get back, I work like half an hour on it. Chow, eat, shower, go to bed, boom. But you know what, homies, we're getting it, and I ended up getting the frame ready and prep for paint. So, but speaking of which, you know what? This bike frame, or this whole bike project right here, is gonna be freaking sick, man. I ended up getting some stuff in the mail today, and I was gonna wait and share with you guys till like the next week or so. But next week's video, actually, you know what? Grab that fender, please. I didn't know the bolts were off. Yeah, you just put it there. See, on this one here, I wanted to keep it nice and good. Man, look how chipped up those things got. You guys remember whenever I did this? Look at whenever my son's tire rubbed the inside fender. Yep. I didn't paint this hardcore because this would never show, but just in case you can kind of see it from the side. What's kind of bummer about this one is that whenever we first got his bike, this was what was original on here. And oops, somebody see all that?
Oh yeah, I can see some of the dents from the other side of it.
And those were already there when my son got this bike. So then I was like, you know what? It is time. Yep. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's under pretty good with tape. Man, look how clean that thing is. Lay them both down on the side. Man, look how clean that thing is, dude. That's freaking insane. Gosh, in this camera, it looks like it's dark, like a dark bronze or something.
That's supposed to be it?
Huh? Yeah. So that way it squeezes in between the frame. See how you got yours on yours? Man, look at that thing. That is freaking awesome, huh? I love this thing.
Yeah, I can get more shiny.
Hold your back, Wilson.
Right. That little thing's on your other one.
Oh, you're fine. Yeah, check that out. Jeez. That is freaking dope. Yeah, so I'll go on ahead and I'll reuse this on another future bike project.
What is this for? They're like...
Hold your bike steady with the back wheel sturdy from rocking side to side. Okay. But I'll save this here. This will come in handy for another project down the road.
I could go into a little shelf right there.
Hang it up over there. So, I thought I'd go on ahead and share that with you guys. I thought that was pretty dope. But everybody, like I said, this video is going to be kind of long. I don't know. I really haven't added up all the time, but I have a lot of steps on how I was doing his bike frame. You guys remember last week, or the week before, I ended up doing a cutout and getting the rivets in there. Be careful with this. Hold the wheel. I got the fender. Yeah, that is freaking awesome, huh? Yeah, that is freaking dope. We'll set that there for the time being. Put this dope wheel right in there too. Man, That's freaking dope. Gosh, my son's gonna have a sick bike, you guys. Yes, for those of you that are following, you guys remember I'm doing another little addition to my son's bike, using my son's idea. So we'll go on ahead and show you guys how my son's bike frame's looking. Cool. Well, I'll see you guys in a split second.
Peace.
All right, homies, went on ahead and bought some great stuff. Fills gaps and cracks. Went over to Ace, kind of just taped off the top area. First, what we need to do is go ahead and get this sucker sprayed in. Here we go. Careful. Ooh. Just remember, I'm going to fill this sucker up pretty fat because I am going to lay Bondo over this once I cut off all the excess, once all this here dries. It's okay if it sticks to that top side. I'm going to paint the bottom again. I want this sucker to fill up real good. Ooh, geez, that might be a lot in there. If it's too much, it's okay. You could always cut it right off. Remember that, homies. Man, we haven't been out in the garage in a long time, huh? Just reading some of the comments. I know, I thought the same thing too when I was cutting into this paint. I was like, oh no. Oh no, what are you, empty? There we go. Ooh, 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 jeez. Get in there. Whoop, it's okay. This stuff should be ready by tomorrow morning. Today is still the January 2nd, Saturday right now. So I want to have this sucker at least bonded out by Sunday night. That would be awesome. All right, well, you guys kind of get the picture. I'll go on ahead and see you guys in the next clip. Oh, show, homies. We ready to check this out. Definitely blasted it pretty good, huh? And see, what I like to do is use my it's like a metal blade. It's got a lot of extra real fine teeth. I like to put this in here and just start cutting it out. What? My dog. Yeah, well, I'll go on ahead and start cutting this out, and I'll show you guys here in a split second. Faux show. Gosh, that is such amazing color. Turned out great. There it is. Got me the Bondo. Went on ahead and got this from Harbor Freight. Paid like, I don't know, 11, 12 bucks for it. Not bad. And this is the same can I've had since the gold beach cruiser Lowrider bike I did. So I got this here. Let's mix it up. Got a little bit of mixture on there. Let's go on ahead and apply some of this. My camera's ready to die, homies, so that's why there's no light on my camera right now. But this is all I'm gonna do right now. Just go ahead and lay a nice little coat so that way I don't have to do too much sanding. I went on ahead and applied a lot of this red mixture in it, so that way it sets up pretty fast and pretty hard. Booyah! Set up pretty hard now. See what I'm saying? How the center was still wet and up cut. Oop, still tacky. Still coming out. Look where it's coming out at. That's funny. Yep, this side looks pretty good. Got all that focus. There we go. All the way inside, all that. It's gonna be fun sanding out. That's all gonna be done by hand. And that's still a little tacky in there too. Everything else is pretty solid. Holy crapola, my friends. That's gonna look pretty dope, huh? Cool. Alright, homies. Well, I got some P60. Got a handful of these. 60s are the rough ones. Only because I'm gonna need the rough ones. This bad mofo finally dried and cured. Today is Monday and it's about 7:30 at night. So the inside is all dried out. So we should be sitting pretty good to go ahead and start getting some. So I'll go ahead and get started on this. See you guys in the next clip. Huh, that's a. Yup. Yup. Chilling out in the man cave, huh? Yup. Huh, Odessa. Well, homies, I spent about a good hour sanding. Man, my hands feel cramped, yo. Check it out, yo. Focus. There we go. Went on ahead and got in some of this. You can see the low spots. Definitely have to do a second layer. That's what I tried to avoid, but my goofy ass ended up hitting a bunch of low spots. See all those low spots? Man, that whole thing's low, so I have to fill it in there. Kind of got that smoothed out pretty good. That was a tough one. I'm still not done with it yet. That is a tough one. Still got all, still got all this under here to do. Still got that to do. Between the legs came out great. And between there too. But a lot of sanding by hand to do. Insane, yos. Yeah, I spent an hour. That's where that's as far as I got in an hour. Alright, y'all. See you guys in the next clip. Oh, show, homies. Oh, yeah. Check it out. How's that? It's pretty good. I got to go on ahead and go round 3 on the Bondo. As you guys can see that. It's a little low in there. Side of the head's low, at the top of the head, side of the wing. Other than that, for the most part, everything else, I'm actually just now sanding it down. There's a couple little low spots. You see that, a couple little pockets. I'm going to hit up. Ugh. Other side turned out great. Looks really good. Yeah, I just need to do a little bit more sanding. Like I said, fill in this right now. I'm going to go ahead and do a round 3 on the Bondo on this here. hit the little nicks. Boom. That way it'll all be looking good, and shoot, we'll be looking awesome, yo. For sure, homies. Well, my homies, that was a lot of time of sanding by hand. But check it out. Yep. Got it all done. All I need to do is give it a good wipe down. Get all that. Oh, jeez. There it is, my friends. Look at that. Nice and smooth. I left this inside. I didn't put no bond on there because it's too tiny. So is this. So it'll be just as is. Came out looking nice. All right, everybody. Let's give it a quick wipe down real fast. Check it out. Got it all nice and clean. That's where the badge was. So that's where that ain't coming off. It's actually chipped from the paint. Yeah, check it out. Man, that's going to look so dope. 703 Cruising. Thanks, homie, for the advice on cutting a tube up, the rubber, to put it in here between the frame and the bolt. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, I'm not exactly sure yet what I'm going to repaint on this thing, but I'll definitely let you guys know. You guys will be part of my awesome paint session. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this thing turned out pretty nice. All I need to do is get inside of here a little bit more with some sandpaper by hand again. I still got some bumps in it. Ow! Hey. Get out of here. That's my dog Odessa. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I like it. Turned out really nice. I'm impressed with it. I'm gonna be more impressed with it whenever we get some paint on this crazy mofo. Alright, well, I'm gonna let this sit for the night. And I'll get started on some primer tomorrow, which for you guys will be a split second. Alright, for sure, homies. Woo! Man, that was a lot of steps, huh? Jeez. Man, that took a long time to do, especially all by hand with it being so small and intricate, where I was like, trying to get up in there, man, sand it all out. But you know what, like in the last clip you guys just saw, it's sanded, it's ready for paint. Speaking of paint, I already went on ahead and laid some primer down. Yes, sir. Waiting for that primer to set. So, actually, you know what? Next week's video is going to be freaking awesome. You know why? Because we'll be painting the bike frame.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
So, hey, I'll definitely show you guys step by step on exactly how I do those bike frames. You know what? For those of you that's been following our videos, I'll go ahead and show you exactly how I get all that down. Yes, sir. Like I said, I really do appreciate those of you that drop those comments and say, hey, you know what? That's what's up, big dog. Thanks for sharing how you paint these bikes. Because a lot of you out there are actually doing it yourself, watching my videos, which is awesome. You know what? Like I said, I don't mind sharing what I do. All I'm trying to do is keep the Lowrider bicycle scene alive, and I'm glad my videos help those of you that are like myself on a budget. So, Bo Show, homies, you know what? Like I said, we'll catch y'all next week, huh?
Yep.
Cool. All right, everybody. Well, respect and always be and stay
100.
100, my homies. Stay safe out there.
Peace.
Peace, everybody.